Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI on January the 4th, about a week ago, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $27.46. And at this point, my main assumption was that as long as the level of $26 holds, we have to see the breakout above this yellow line, the range of resistance, and potentially we might retest this previous swing high at roughly $30.5. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset had a breakout, a sustained breakout to the upside. It almost retested this previous swing high, but then immediately went back and it even retested this lower border that shouldn't be broken in order to remain bullish. And yes, I was partially right, and this movement to the upside was predicted by me, but I definitely didn't expect this massive sell-off that happened basically on January the 6th. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive trade calls on a consistent basis with a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So, and on today's video, I will show you what should we expect next from the price action, what next price target this asset might hit, and how you can benefit out of its movements. And first of all, let's take a look at some fundamentals. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to new stuff folder, you will see several recent news, and I want to pay attention to this article that was published on Seeking Alpha on January 11th. And I want to pay attention to the summary, to just a summary of this article. SOFI Technologies offers compelling long-term growth, trading at attractive multiples relative to EBITDA targets despite recent analyst downgrades. The fintech's $1.7 billion capital rise is aimed at fueling growth opportunities, not shoring up weaknesses amid strong balance sheet positioning. The consensus analyst rating on SOFI is neutral despite the appealing valuation. The stock trades at 18x adjusted 27 EPS targets, making SOFI attractive at roughly half the growth rate. And guys, I have to admit that in general SOFI has a very strong balance sheet, and if you click right here on the financials section, you will find that they have plenty of cash on hand, more than $3.75 billion, and they are still able to invest this money, and I believe that some kind of acquisition will happen within foreseeable future. Let's put it this way. On top of that, guys, we know that Donald Trump tried to cut the interest rates for the credit cards, and here is the comment from Anthony Nota. In response to Mikey, Mikey asks, either way, lower credit card rates will force banks to cut credit limits and close many accounts, creating an even bigger need for alternative loan products. If anyone can figure out a way to monetize this opportunity, it's SOFI. And here is the clarification from Anthony Noto himself. Guys, it is very important to understand what is his intention and how we, what should we anticipate, what should we expect from SOFI if this happens. So, Anthony Noto wrote, yes sir, if this is enacted, and that is a big if, though part of me hopes it is, we would likely to see a significant contraction in industry credit card lending. Credit card issuers simply won't be able to sustain profitability at a 10% rate cap. Consumers, however, will still need access to credit. That creates a large void, one that SOFI personal loans are well positioned to fill. I've long believed many customers are disadvantaged by high reward credit cards. They know who they are, only to end up carrying tens of thousands of dollars in balances at 20 to 30% APRs. In many cases, those balances are effectively interest only and can persist indefinitely. By contrast, SOFI personal loan at 9 to 13% offers a lower rate with a fully amortizing structure that actually pays the balance down. If credit card lending contracts, SOFI can step in to the offer to offer borrowers a more transparent, lower-cost alternative to revolving debt. We could also expand to a larger target market and appropriate rates with still great returns. Guys, which means Anthony Noto believes that if this happens, if this news comes to a fruition, it will definitely benefit the SOFI as a company. And if so, guys, we might see a substantial growth of this company, and fundamentally I have to admit that this growth has all the chances to happen. And in the grand scheme of things, on a bigger scale, if we zoom out to let's say 12 hours time frame, you can see that SOFI is in uptrend, and for now it is in consolidation phase for quite a while, from basically from September of last year to present day. And I show you in just a minute what price targets this asset might hit. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's zoom in again to hourly time frame, and on a bigger scale, we potentially completed the bottom of A, B and C correction. And from this point, as long as this lower borders hold, we might anticipate its next movements to the upside. But here is, you can see, here is the first trading minutes of the pre-market session, and SOFI is down by 2.45%, which means, guys, we might anticipate some kind of consolidation again and even retest of $26 mark. And this is the crucial point, because we have first movement to the upside right after this 1-2 potential setup happened. We had the first attempt to form the beginning of wave 3, and as long as this bottom holds, this crucial level holds, we might anticipate the trend continuation. But if in the upcoming session $26 SOFI breaks $26 mark, in this case, guys, the next points of control will be $25.12, this previous bottom, and potentially even this bottom as well. So far, I believe that SOFI might retest it and had a bounce to the upside, but definitely no one has a crystal ball. That is why I don't see any positions for SOFI for the upcoming at least couple of sessions. So we have to see a breakout either below this $26 mark, or we have to see a bounce to the upside that will break at least previous swing high of 28.33, and what is more importantly, $29.84. If it happens, guys, we will still have a chance to hit higher targets with the internal third wave, and I will do another update when I see more confirmation from the market. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.